This is the first session, and I'm particularly excited about this because it's the first time we try something like that, where we try to combine improvisation, hands-on. We are going to have some contribution from the audience in a few minutes. So we'll see. We have in this room, we have Edinburgh here, we have London Royal College of Music, and we have upstairs there. The idea is we are having a session where we try remote participation in different shapes and in using different technology. So the first one we'll be using Lola, and the idea is we have an improvisation session with David and the Edinburgh University in Edinburgh, followed by, and that's where we need your help, an improvisation with piano, live sonification of movement, and our friends in Edinburgh University in Edinburgh. Then we will move to the violin and harp with London, and then we have a singing session to conclude today. So I leave the floor to Paul, who will introduce this first part, and thank you very much for being here.
I'm going to stand closer to the mic for Lola so that the guys in Edinburgh can hear me here. But what we have over in Edinburgh there, we're in Studio 1, and we have Dr. Zach Moyer and Professor Chris Atten with their improvisation group. And we're going to try something that you've had very little discussion, I think, with these people, have you, David?
Yeah, so we're just, first of all, good morning.
I should introduce
I'm David Spencer.
David, yes.
You've probably seen me lurking around. I'm not an IT person. This is what I do, actually, for a living.
David is Professor of Trumpet
at the University of Memphis. But this opportunity came up. Paul and I have been working together for a while. We've had, just to lay a musical framework for you, we've just had a very light discussion about form. That's about it. So we haven't rehearsed in any way.